Yeah. Okay, well, the day wasn't finished there for Sebastien Loeb or for Daniel Elena in actual fact, because what has to happen next, of course, is all the interviews, television, radio, newspapers, magazines, etc. and so forth, and answer all of those questions over and over again, some of them which can be quite peculiar at times. Like, for example, Sebastien Loeb was asked, what does his Citroen C4 sound like?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
I'm glad you guys have got more to say for yourselves over the last couple of days.
That's unreal. Everybody knows he's like that there, and I think he just is difficult with English language, just getting it started.
It's a good job he didn't take up the Irish language.